Hi, welcome. Today I'm gonna make a Peruvian chili sauce. I will show you all ingredients. You're gonna need salt, mustard, onion, coriander, Peruvian yellow pepper with seeds or without, 1 raw egg, vegetable oil, lemon juice, and a little bit of vinegar. In the blender, we will add the raw egg and blend it up. We will make mayonnaise, okay? Now we are gonna add the vegetable oil little by little until it thickness. Then we will add the coriander, Peruvian yellow pepper, onion, mustard, and salt to taste, and blend it up. If the sauce is very liquid, add more vegetable oil. Now it's time to add a little bit of vinegar and lemon juice to taste, and blend it up. Look guys, this is the consistency that I like. If you want the thicker sauce, add more oil. And if you like more loosely, add more lemon juice. And this is the final result. And don't worry guys, the recipe for the Peruvian roast chicken next week here on my channel. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thumbs up and follow me on my social media. She's Candy, my cotton de tuliar. She has on videos every Saturdays and it's next to me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.